So up near the Buckingham Railway Centre, just having a look at what's going on here, because it's been a few weeks, so I think it's been over a month actually. You can see the piling rigs in place, so the old bridge still there, and the HS2 works disappearing off into the distance. Lots of site clearance has gone on. I believe they've now reconnected the railway centre with the main line to allow it to do passenger trips. I'll try and catch that on video. It's showing the works around the far side. This road's been closed now nearly a year. This road to the left there, that's now been shut. I think it's closed for another year yet as well. See the drainage by the look of it, yeah, drainage there on the floor waiting to go in. So lots to be done here while they reconstruct this road. It's going to go over a new bridge to replace this little one, what's seen at the top of the photo, the top of the video. It's been closed for quite a while now. Let's spin the drone around and head back to where I'm stood. It just gives you an idea of the size here. There is a lot of water on these sites at the moment, as you'd expect from the rain we've had. And as it flies back towards us, there's a bridge being constructed down here. As you can see, if you have an idea where I am. A lot of water on this, but then again, nothing's actually finished, is there? So all the people on social media talking about flooding and the amount of water you can see on site. Just a bit further down here, so you can see the culvert going in to provide the drainage. As we pan left, the crane there in its down position. No work's carrying on it today. Looking up towards where that new bridge is. This is from the other end. So just fly towards it. There'll be a road coming across there. Very busy sky today. Another plane to our right. Which are in the drone, obviously. That's that new bridge. Pan back to where we just came from. So HS2 continues. Into this cutting here. Clearly no work being done on it yet. No drainage.